In this video, I will show you how to enable or install Group Policy Management in Windows 11. Enabling this helps to manage and maintain a network of Windows-based devices. So let's look how to do this. Go to Search and type Optional Features and select it from the list. Click on View Features button next to add an optional feature. Here search for Group Policy Management. Then check in RSAT Group Policy Management Tools and click on Next button. Then click on Install button. Wait for it to completely install. You can see RSAT Group Policy Management Tools installed successfully. Now go to Search and type Run and select it from list, then type gpmc.msc and hit Enter to open Group Policy Management Console as shown here. We have successfully enabled Group Policy Management in Windows 11. If you like this, please subscribe for similar videos. Thank you.